guys, so you must have seen this makeup which I have done where I have gone from day to night look. Now after all this makeup, this has to be removed. Remember, never sleep with makeup on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly show you how I actually remove this makeup and do my night care routine. So I'm just going to take this. So make sure that never any hair comes to your skin when you are doing your care routine or you're removing any makeup. So what I'm going to do is I have taken this wet towel by Simply Nam. So this is on the bit expensive side, but yeah, I have actually used it like almost 100 times, and I've also washed it, and you can just throw it in your washing machine and it's good to go. So what I'm doing, I have just wet it in warm water. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to quickly rub this all off. So you can see. Also on my eyebrows. So this is actually a microfiber towel. This is from Simply Nam, and this towel is really good because it's very soft on skin. You won't feel harsh because you can see the kind of pressure I'm applying, but I don't feel that it is just itching my skin. And plus I have warmed it with water, this warm water. I have just wet this towel with warm water. So what happens is that it actually helps in opening your pores and makeup comes out really quick. So yeah, I'm going to take this. So you can see everything is removed from my skin. I'll just show you the close-up. Yeah. Now I'll take the other side. So this is the softer side. This is more clean, so it will give me a double cleanup. Yeah, so you could see we have removed there was so much left on my face. But what I'm going to do is also after using that, I'm going to use a Garnier Micellar water. This is for all skin types and it removes waterproof makeup as well. This is also dermatologically tested. This is for this is 400 ml for 399 price. So there is an oil on the top and there's a micellar water. So what I do is I just activate the product, I mix everything up, and I'll take a cotton wipe and I will just wet this cotton wipe with this product. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this product and remove whatever excess is there. Simply Nam actually does the job of removing makeup, but with makeup there's always something left. So you can see it removes your tough makeup, but I always rub my makeup with a towel with the warm water, and then I always follow this step wherein I also remove my makeup using micellar water. Yeah, so it's like double cleansing. So you can see this much of. Also going to go here. Since we have applied a lot of mascara, that needs to be removed as well. You can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly wash my face and be right back. Okay. Hi guys, so I'm back. As you can see, So we have done actually 3-step cleansing. So first we use this towel wherein you can see the condition. Then I've used this cotton pad which was actually taken out all my excess makeup, and then I have just washed my face. I just want to share this with you. I have used Forest Essentials Delicate Facial Cleanser, Mashobra Honey, Lemon and Rose Water. This is for 30.95 for 200 ml. I think this is my second or third bottle, and I really love this. The smell is so amazing, you guys. You can just swear by it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my hair in the back. Now, after cleansing, we are going to take a toner. So I'm using this Pixi toner. So this is my recent purchase and I'm in love with this toner. It has this vitamin C and 5% glycolic acid with exfoliating toner. So I'm just going to take this on my cotton pad. I'm just going to wet the entire cotton pad. Yeah. I'm just going to apply this toner very gently. So there are a lot of toners in the market which tells you that you need to rub it. Some says that you need to activate and dab it. This clearly mentions in the description that you need to take it on a cotton pad and apply it like this. So always follow the instruction that is given, because different product has different process of activation, process of application, and it clearly says that you should not apply it on the eyes. So I'm just taking it below my eyes. Yeah, so I'm done with the toner. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Forest Essential Tejal water. It always says that you need to use it with the serum. It has that activating serum. I had that, but that is over. I'll just show you the bottle. I have finished that. So yeah, I actually took this Forest Essential Rasa activating serum and Tejal. This is like a balancing water, but I'm done with this. So I don't use this any. I mean it's finished. If you can see, the product is empty. The bottle is empty now. I could not go out to buy, so I'm using this Forest Essential. I'll just quickly activate the product. I'll take this much amount, just a pea size amount, and I'm going to quickly rub this and activate. And I'm going to just press it to my skin. So this is like a water. It's not actually a serum, but it gives you a very cooling effect. So I used to first use that serum and Rasa and Tejal together, but now I just use that because I'm just left with that bottle. Now what I'm going to do is, so I'm using this off lately. I've started using this. As you can see, the bottle is half empty. It has come till here. So this is Dot & Key Skin Range. This is their vitamin C serum concentrate. This is actually their night care pack, and this is their Dot & Key skincare glow C sleep mask, vitamin C overnight. So this is their vitamin C range. And this is serum and this is sleeping mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a pump. So I'm just going to take this one pump. So as you can see, it has soaked all the that Forest Essential water that I applied. Now this serum, I'm just going to take it and dab it to my skin. So within 2 minutes you will see that everything is soaked in my skin. We apply so much of makeup. It's very important that we take care of our skin. Yeah. Now I'm going to take this. So there was a cap on the top which I have lost it, and there was also a scoop to take it out, but there are so many products we just lose the track. Now I'm going to take this with the help of my finger. I'm going to scoop out this much. So make sure whenever you put a finger into a product, you just take out at once whatever is required. You just don't put your finger again into that. I'm going to rub this, and since this is a sleeping mask, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply it like this. And I can't tell you, the effect is so cooling. I just love this product. I also like taking product to my neck, to my back, and whatever remains, always apply it on your elbow because no wastage. Yeah, so I just apply on my hands because it's a good mask, and since it has vitamin C in it, it will always do good to your skin, so you should not waste the product. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eye mask, and this is my under eye gel. This is by Aroma Magic. It says it brightens and refreshes, so you can see that I have a little bit of dark circles. It actually does not remove dark circles, but yeah, it helps me from puffiness. I don't get puffy eyes when I wake up in the morning. It looks more brighter, and the area, my eye area is actually dry, but since the time I've started using this Aroma Magic under eye gel, trust me guys, my eyes are really moisturized. So I'm going to just take this much. I'm going to take it here as well. I also like it applying on the top because this gel is so cool. It feels so nice on the eyes. So I'll apply on the top, on the bottom, and you can see it's very transparent, and I'll just take this and apply it with my ring finger because it has a minimum pressure, and just apply it all over my eyes. Yeah. Trust me guys, if you want to actually invest in a gel in a budget friendly way, then you should go for this Aroma Magic under eye gel. Now since we are done with our eyes and face, lips, so I'm using this Laneige lip sleeping mask, and as you can see, I've almost emptied the bottle, the jar, and I'm just gonna scoop out from this. I'm just going to take this much. It is amazing fruit fragrance. So this is a lip mask actually. You'll see a lot of lip balms in the market, but Laneige has lip mask. So what I do is I also apply on the top of my lip area, if you can see. So it keeps that moisturized. So I go a little down and apply there as well, and on the corners. Yeah. So that's it guys. This is how I do my nighttime skincare. It's very important that you remove your makeup and sleep, and never let any hair or anything come on your face because then you'll get an acne prone skin. So yeah, so you can see. If you like this video, please do like, rate and subscribe. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.